Today, I'm gonna show you how to use the Generlink automatic transfer switch. Step 1, go to the breaker panel in your house and flip all the breakers off, including the main breaker. Step 2, go ahead and get your generator set up where it needs to be. Now, fire code requires it to be 5 feet away from the building. FEMA requires it to be 20 feet away from the structure or building. When you buy your Generlink transfer switch from us here at Hutch Mountain, you get a 20-foot cord with it. So let's go ahead and utilize that entire 20 feet on that cord. Okay, on step 3, what you're gonna do is take the end of the Generlink cord and plug it into the bottom of the transfer switch here. Okay, when you plug in your Generlok cord to the Generlink transfer switch, I wanna point out a few things here. If you look inside this plug here, there's a little key here, which means that this cord is one directional. If you look at the plug, there's a slit here where that key slides into. So a good rule of thumb is if that slot is facing towards you, then it should clip right in. So what you're gonna do is it's a kind of a quick release. So go ahead and pull down on that collar and go ahead and push it up and it clicks right into place. Okay, step 4 is now to go ahead and turn the idle off on your generator. If you have an idle or an eco mode, go ahead and turn that off. Step 5 is to start your generator. Now make sure you refer to your owner's manual for your generator on how to properly start it. Step 6 is now you can go back into your house to your breaker panel, flip the main breaker on first, and then you can flip on all the essential breakers that are important to you and your family. So what do you do when utility power comes back on? Well, one way to know that it's back on is if you come out to the transfer switch, there are some lights on the bottom here. If the utility grid light is green, that means you have utility power back. So step 1 is to come out and turn the generator off. Once you turn the generator off, you'll hear a clicking noise inside the transfer switch. That indicates that you have now switched automatically back to utility power. Step 2, go to your breaker panel now and flip all your breakers on. You can now flip everything on inside the breaker panel. Step 3 is to go ahead and unplug the cord from the bottom of the transfer switch and you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and run through the steps again. Step 1, flip your breakers off at the breaker panel. Step 2, go ahead and get your generator set up in position. Step 3, go ahead and plug the generator into the transfer switch. Step 4, turn the idle off on the generator. Step 5, turn your generator on, go ahead and get it started. And step 6 is go back to the breaker panel and flip the essential breakers on in your house. You guys, if you have any questions about the Generlink automatic transfer switch, please reach out to us here at Hutch Mountain. We want to make sure you and your family are taken care of because we love you and we care about you.